today's fast-paced business environment, making data-driven decisions is more crucial than ever. But without the right tools, this can often be underwhelming. Have you looked into Power BI? A great solution to your business intelligence challenges. Creating insightful reports and dashboards is as simple as dragging and dropping elements. With Power BI's user-friendly interface, even non-technical users can easily navigate and create stunning visualizations. Its intuitive design, complete with pre-built templates and natural language queries, empowers every member of your team to explore and analyze data effortlessly. Seamlessly integrate Power BI into your existing Microsoft ecosystem, whether it's Excel, Azure, Teams, SharePoint, or Dynamics 365. Power BI works harmoniously with over 120 different data connectors, bridging the gap between structured and unstructured data sources. Visual storytelling has never been more dynamic. With Power BI, you can access a wide range of interactive visualizations and customize them to fit your unique needs. Cost effectiveness is key, and Power BI doesn't disappoint. With its integration capabilities, you can collaborate and share insights seamlessly through Microsoft Teams and OneDrive. Tap into advanced analytics with Power BI's built-in AI and machine learning features. From natural language processing to anomaly detection and integration with Azure Machine Learning, Power BI brings sophisticated analytics to your fingertips. Stay ahead of the curve with real-time data analysis. Power BI supports real-time streaming, ensuring you have the most current insights at all times. Security and governance are paramount. With enterprise-grade security features like row-level security, Power BI ensures your data is protected while maintaining flexibility for scalability, supporting everything from small teams to enterprise-level reporting. For those who demand more from their analytics, Power BI offers easy integration with R and Python, facilitating advanced statistical analysis and custom visualizations. Microsoft's commitment to continuous improvement means regular updates and an active community are at your disposal, helping you stay at the forefront of business intelligence. Ready to transform your data into actionable insights? Discover the power of Power BI today and redefine the way your business interacts with data. Start your journey towards smarter decisions and greater efficiency. Visit our website or contact us to learn more about how Power BI can revolutionize your business intelligence strategy.